My best friend is called Emily. She is 21 years old. Emily has got long blonde hair and blue eyes. She is tall and thin. She doesn't look like me. We look very different. I have got brown hair and green eyes. I love Emily because she is a great friend. We spend a lot of time together. At the weekends, we like to go to the cinema or watch movies at home. We like to do exercise together too. We play tennis and badminton at the sports club in our city. We live in the same city in London. We love London because it is so fun. We can visit the city centre, go to restaurants, and go to parties. I think that London is the best city in the world. Emily is a student. She studies at university. She studies medicine and in the future she wants to be a doctor. She is very friendly and generous and likes helping people. Emily has classes at university in the morning, but she also studies in the afternoon. Medicine is very difficult, so she studies a lot. She works at a restaurant on Saturdays and Sundays. She is a waitress, so she takes the food and drink to people's tables. She doesn't like her job, but she only works 5 hours on Saturday and Sunday. She works because university is very expensive. It costs £7,000 per year. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.